Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you once again to this channel today. This is Last Journey BIZZTALK. All right. In today's video, I'll be showing you another 22,000 naira withdrawal from Fire VIP. 22,000 naira withdrawal from Fire VIP. Start making money online now with Fire VIP. I just want to tell you that if you are still contemplating about joining Fire VIP or you are still procrastinating, then you are wasting a lot of time. You are wasting a lot of potential and resources. So because you need to take your decision if you are doing it fine and if you are not doing it fine. But I will like to show you that this platform is real, it is genuine, and it is legit. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this wonderful platform, wonderful channel called Lasogenic BizTalk. This channel is created just to share with you some of my ideas on online investment. I review online platform, online investment here, and I give you my recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision. Because you need to be responsible for your action. For that reason, you're also expected to do your own due diligence research before you jump into any of the content being shared here. So you just need to be responsible for your action and you need to invest wisely. Okay, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now. Click on the notification bell as well and turn it all to be so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates. Okay, and if you found values in this video and you found it to be meaningful and useful, then please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family, because this can be an information many have been waiting for their financial turnaround. So give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. All right, once again, what you are considering today is 22,000 naira withdrawal from Fire VIP. For that reason, I will take you to the app straight away. Okay, this is it right here, Fire VIP. So the only thing that you need to do is that for you to get started, just check the description box of this video. You are going to see the registration link in the description box so that you can join and start earning. So after you have downloaded the app and after you have run through the registration processes, then the next thing for you to do is to click on rent here. You click on rent. So after you have clicked on rent, then you are going to see several ads machine that you can purchase and you start making money online on daily basis. For we on the ads machine, we have C A level ads machine, we have B level ads machine, we have C, we have D, we have E, and we have F. What I have successfully activated A level ads machine and B level ads machine. That's why it's not showing here on my own account. So you can go for the C level ad machine. It only costs 40,000 naira, and you can go for the D level has machine. It costs 160,000 naira. E level has machine costs 320. F level has machine costs 960. And for C level, you'll be earning 2,256 naira every day. 2,256 naira every day. For the D levels, you earn 9,536 naira every day. So this is how you'll be making money with 5VIP just for watching video ads. And if you're a networker, you have invited some people, you can also subscribe to this super art machine here. We have the 48,000 package, we have the 160,000 package, we have the 480,000 package, and we also have the 8 million naira package. So you can just go for any of them that suits your financial strength, and I'm very confident that you'll be making money, because I also am making money from all this. Okay, so let me show you my 22,000 withdrawal. Okay, so my withdrawal record, you can see all this. I got all this money. This is 22,000, this is 15, this is 6,000, 44, 53, 57, and 6,600 naira. So I earned all this money. Let me show you the total amount I've earned from this platform. Details of income. So I've earned total of 106,000. I've earned total of 106,000 naira from this platform. You can see that it is amazing. It is amazing just for watching video ads. So for you to do your daily task is just to watch the video ads, and which I'm going to do right now. So you just click on home, and then you can see today's on the revenue. So I need to click on start now. So let me start to be started. A level heart machine, then B level heart machine also to be started, now running, and super heart machine to be started. Okay, so the three are now running. So that is all I need to do on daily basis. I watch these adverts and then my money drops on daily basis. So that is how I've been making money, and you can join me. You can join thousands of Nigerians, thousands of people around the world that have been making money with this platform. So you shouldn't just look and keep watching. You just need to take a step for you to be financially secured, and for you to be financially secured and settled. All right, so this is how I'll be making money. You just need to watch this video hard till it's completed. You can see that of A level as machine is now 78% completed, and once it is 100% completed, the money will drop here. So it will drop in today's advertising revenue. It will surely change from zero to the amount you can see. A level as machine is now completed, confirmed. So now I have 200 naira here, and for the revenue I have 400 NFC. So that is how I've been making money on daily basis, and you too can join. You can even make money more than me, depending on the ads machine that you subscribe to. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I don't want this video to be very lengthy, so that you have the full information. So in my next video I will be talking more on how to make more money in 5 VIP. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye for now.